Have you ever felt trapped by a bank account? Maybe you've outgrown your current financial needs, or perhaps you're simply looking for a fresh start. Today, we're going to delve into the process of closing a Commbank account, step by step. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why someone might want to close their Commbank account. It could be due to high fees. Excessive charges can eat away at your savings. Poor customer service. Frustrating interactions can lead to a loss of trust. Limited features. If your banking needs have evolved, Commbank might not offer the services you require. A desire to switch banks. Perhaps you found a better deal elsewhere. Step-by-step guide. Gather your information. The first step is to gather all the necessary information about your Commbank account. This includes your account number, your account type, savings, checking, etc. Any outstanding debts or loans. Your preferred method of receiving any remaining funds, check, direct deposit, or in-person withdrawal. Contact Commbank. Once you have your information ready, reach out to Commbank. You can do this by calling their customer service line. They can provide you with specific instructions and answer any questions you may have. Visiting a branch. If you prefer face-to-face interaction, you can visit a Commbank branch. Using their online banking platform, some banks offer the option to initiate account closure online. Address outstanding debts. Before closing your account, it's crucial to address any outstanding debts or loans. This may involve making a final payment or setting up a payment plan. Transfer funds. If you have any remaining funds in your account, you'll need to transfer them to another account or withdraw them. Commbank will likely provide you with options for transferring funds. Close the account. Once you've addressed any debts and transferred your funds, you can proceed with closing the account. You may need to provide additional documentation or sign paperwork to confirm your request. Verify closure. After closing your account, it's a good idea to verify with Commbank that the process is complete. This can help prevent any unexpected charges or issues in the future. Additional tips. Be patient. The account closure process may take some time, so be patient and follow the instructions provided by Commbank. Review your statements. Before closing your account, review your recent statements to ensure there are no errors or discrepancies. Consider a soft closing. If you're unsure about closing your account completely, you may want to consider a soft closing. This involves temporarily suspending your account while retaining the option to reactivate it in the future. Closing a bank account can be a simple process, but it's important to follow the correct steps to ensure a smooth transition. By understanding the process and gathering the necessary information beforehand, you can close your Commbank account with ease. Have you ever felt trapped by your bank account? If you're ready for a change, follow the steps outlined in this video and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, happy banking!